What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 ways to get the most sales out of your Facebook dynamic product ads. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in.
All right, so before we get into the different campaigns with dynamic product ads, one thing you have to understand is what dynamic products are. So basically, when you have a store, whether it's Shopify or WooCommerce, you create a catalog with what's called a feed. So for example, on Shopify, it's called Flexify. It's my favorite one. What that does is that pulls all your products from the store. It creates an RSS feed that you can go into Facebook and create a catalog inside here in Catalog Manager and bring all your products over to Facebook. What that does is Facebook knows what products you carry and assigns an ID to each one of those products. You as a person, you have an ID assigned to you. You're a profile, you're a person, they know who you are. So when all these stores out there have pixels installed, Facebook knows what type of product you're shopping for, and it also knows if someone goes to your store and it looks at a certain product. And this is how we create our dynamic product ads. When you set that type of campaign out there, basically Facebook knows, hey, Christian was looking at this product and left the store, or Christian has been looking for this type of product. Let's put it in front of him. So that's a dynamic product, and this is essentially what a dynamic product ad is made out of. With that said, let me show you the campaigns that I set up to get the most sales and take advantage of the Facebook algorithm as much as I can. Don't mind my dashboard here a little bit. iOS is rolling out, so it's kind of a mess. I'm missing data, but you can see the campaigns. You can see how much I spent, like 40 grand. There's a reason I spent 41 grand on DPA campaigns, because they're making me at least 2x. I think last time I looked at it, it was like a 2.5 or 3 or something like that. But that's just my DPS. That's not even every single campaign. You can see here only 5 are selected. But anyway, so I know you're seeing 5 different campaigns here, but it's actually 4 different campaigns. So when you start an account, the first campaign you should be setting from the get-go as your dynamic product ad is a retargeting campaign. Okay, let's click on that. So this one, I have it broken down by 30, 14, 7, and 3 days. And listen, you can do this with whatever segments you want to do. These are my favorite ones to start out right off the bat. And the way you do that, you go into the ad set. And when you bring up the ad set, you're going to choose retarget ads to people who interacted with your products on and off Facebook, right? If you're starting out and it's a brand new store, you're going to do view or add it to cart but not purchase. If you have a store with tons of data, then just go straight for the add to cart. Target those people who added to cart but didn't buy from you right away. Then you select the amount of days right here. I have it set up at 28 because that's the 28-day conversion. Now that's not non-existent anymore, so I'm going to have to redo all of this with iOS 14, which that will bring it down to 7. And then automatic placements, 1-day clicking, and conversions, right? And I do the same for all of them. So that's my straight up retargeting campaign. As far as the ad goes, the ad is simple. It's just a catalog ad that just shows the products in a carousel. And then my copy is pretty much, hey, you forgot something, make sure to come back and get it today. You know, you add it to cart, you forgot something, come back and get it. And then, you know, the call to action is shop now. So that's my retargeting campaign right off the bat. Okay, so then we go here. Then I have my second one that I launched once I have some campaigns going and there's some data going. It's going to be my prospecting campaigns. And the way that I break down my prospecting campaigns is I break it down into 2 different categories. One's going to be my custom audiences and one's going to be my single interest. And the way I do it like this is because remember what I told you in previous videos, these campaigns share their data with each other, right? So I don't want to mix my custom audiences with my interest audiences. Is there a scientific explanation behind that? Not that I know of. I just like to keep everything organized. So basically, it's prospecting, top of the funnel, and it's going to be another catalog because it's a catalog. It's a carousel ad. And then the copy for it, I take advantage of the dynamic formatting creative because I want to let Facebook optimize the placement for that campaign, whatever it's putting it on top of the funnel. All right, the copy is basically my top of the funnel copy introducing the brand. Okay, as far as placement goes, on the feed, right now what I'm doing is I want to get in front of them whatever I can. So I let Facebook optimize for it. Find prospective customers, even if they haven't interacted with your business. So you select this right here. I like to exclude anybody who's purchased in the past 30 days, visitors of the website in the past 30 days, because I want to touch on those audiences that have no idea who I am. Automatic placement, purchase, 1 day clicking. So that's my prospecting campaign. Next, we go back, and these are the two that I never ever see people do, and I don't understand why, because they're leaving money on the table. So number one, it's going to be past purchases. You can't launch this campaign until you have enough data. So I like to build it up to 180 days. You can start at 30 if you're running massive traffic, or 14 days for that matter, or 7 for that matter. But the way you set up this one is you retarget people who have interacted with your products on and off Facebook, and then you choose cross-sell products. And you choose the amount of days, and you can either choose your whole catalog, or you can choose the segmentation in your catalogs. For this one, cross-selling, I like to cross-sell all products because, once again, Facebook knows what people are looking for and they know the data. So we're cross-selling people who have purchased from us in the past new products. So we're cross-selling. So if they bought a t-shirt that's about a pet niche, let's say dog t-shirt, it's going to cross-sell them another dog type of product, like a dog coffee mug. You know, that's cross-selling products, okay? So that's my cross-selling campaign. And then last but not least is my upsell campaign. And this one I launched today. This is what made me think of launching this video for you guys. And again, I like to start at 180 days. And what an upsell campaign is once again, you're going to choose retarget ads to people who have interacted with your products on and off Facebook. But then down here, you're going to choose upsell products. Then you're going to choose the amount of days you want to target, whether it's 180 days, 90 days, 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, or whatever. And then store collection feature products. Like, that's what I'm using for this campaign. But think about it this way. If you have a fashion store, you have pants, jackets, t-shirts. When you go into your catalog, you can group your items into subcatalogs. So for example, if you want to upsell a customer who bought jeans on jackets, then you choose your jacket collection here. Or vice versa. If you want to upsell people that bought a certain t-shirt, a jacket from you with a pair of jeans, then you select your jeans catalog that's inside your subcatalog. And you put those items together into different collections. And this is how you can upsell. Think about going to like the store. When you go to a store, a retail store, and you're buying a t-shirt, they're like, hey man, do you want these jeans? I'll go well with it. Hey, how about the shoes that put your whole outfit together? You have to upsell your clients on other items. Think about upselling like you do in a funnel. So the upsell campaign, this is very, very powerful. So in a nutshell, always have a retargeting campaign, always have a top of the funnel DPA campaign, always cross-sell your past purchasers, and always upsell people all day long into new different items that you have to offer.
Guys, if you like that video, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Help support the channel. And if you want to keep learning about Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, digital media, Shopify, e-commerce, anything digital related, make sure to check out one of the videos right above me. And I will see you guys in the next video.